Hey, I'm Gabe with Manly Bands. Thanks for joining us for this unboxing video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the elk. Beautiful and majestic, just like the animal itself. Powerful, I would also say, just like you if you decide to slip one of these on your finger. Inside, welcome to Manly Bands. It's our information card. Inside's got a lot of great information, the most important of which being that it tells you you're handsome. But if that's not enough for you, give us a call if you have any questions and concerns about your purchase. Also, check out the social media. Take pictures, tag us, have a great time. That's what people do on social media, and that's it. It's all good, wholesome stuff on there, no negativity. Just like here. All right, got our classy black box, and there it is, the elk. It is tungsten with a teak wood inlay and my favorite antler. Now I'm already wearing one on my hands because the great thing about this ring is that it comes in 3 different flavors, tones, colors. I'm wearing the dark. Here's a medium, and let's go for light. Get that on there. We don't need that box. Boom! Dark, medium, and light. So that's super great. And those colors come from whatever part of the antler is harvested from, well, the antler, I guess. And those all come from natural sheds. No animals were harmed in the making of these rings or this video, so you can rest easy at night knowing also that all those elk are out there being majestic, being safe, and not on your finger. Inside also, our black silicone band. So if you want to put that on and go run after elk, I guess you could do that. That's a weird idea. I'm not sure why you would do that. But also, we've got in there some promotional materials. One from our sister site, Rosie Ray, 20% off for the ladies if you're looking for a badass ring, and other promotional materials as they become available. So, go check out the elk because it's f***ing awesome. I don't really need to describe it any other way. Manlybands.com. See you later.